This is a shrink wrapping machine that sealing blade can be customized according to the shape of the product. The advantage of this is that it can seal and cut the bag shape according to the appearance of the product, so that there is no dog ears angle after shrinking, and the appearance after shrinking will be much more beautiful. Don't look at it as just a manual device, but in fact it is very popular in the market, especially for more expensive gift boxes, perfumes, cosmetics, electronic boxes, and other products with very highly appearance requirements. It occupies a small area and can be used not only in factories, but also in some stores. Shrink wrapping machine is widely used in many different industries for its efficient packaging speed and low cost. With some simple conveying auxiliary equipment, it can dock the front-end production line to achieve fully automatic packaging process.